In this video, I'm going to show you how to take pictures on a computer screen to save and upload into your Kahoot question or quiz. I will not show you how to upload it in this video. I will only show you how to take pictures in this video. So to start, I have shared with you in your Google Drive. You will go to Share with Me, and you will find the Save to Favorites that I shared with you. From there, there should be a new link. It's at the very bottom. It says Manipulatives, and it's in green. You'll click on that. This gives you a link to many different resources that you can use for your questions. So say your question involves showing a model of a decimal, and the students have to tell you what that model is. So in this particular website, this is the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. In fourth grade, this means a hundredth, and this means tenths, and this means ones. To take a picture of this, you would go down here to your Windows icon, and you're going to use a tool called Snip, S-N-I-P. You'll type it in down here at the bottom. Okay. When you see it, you can right-click on it and hit Pin to Taskbar. So it now appears down here at the bottom. I'm going to click on that. It is already highlighted at New, so when I come over here, you'll see that my mouse went from an arrow to a set of perpendicular lines, a plus symbol, and you are going to click down and drag, and that will take a picture of what you just drew. To save this, you're going to go to File, Save As. Over here on the side, there will be many different options. Underneath Computer, there will be, it'll say your BISD and then your lunch number. You'll click on that, and then you'll type in whatever you want to name it. I'm going to name this what the actual decimal is. So it would be 2 and 34 hundredths. 2 and 34 hundredths. That way I know what number it is when I choose to upload it to my Kahoot. So 2 and 34. You may also create a new folder, and you can title it Kahoot Questions or something else. That just lets you know that these pictures that you're taking and putting in this folder are only for your Kahoot. I'm going to close this one. I'm going to open another one, Numberline. There are many different options. You can mess with them. This one has decimals, and you can choose how they're separated. And you could put a point on here and say, you know, at what decimal is the point shown? And then you could take a picture of it. Again, you would click down here on Snip. I know that that didn't stay. And then you could do that. You could draw on it from this point. And maybe your question is which letter, A, B, or C, represents decimal, the decimal 50 hundredths. In that case, the answer would be A. But again, you would go to File, Save As. You could also right-click and do Save As. A lot of times it'll go to where you just were. It'll save the location you were in. But if it doesn't, you'll just go back to the side. Find your folder, and I'll put that it's decimal 50 hundredths, or it's 50 hundredths, not decimal. So there are many different pictures on here that you can use to do that. There are many different resources on here. You'll just have to play with it. Another way to take a picture, or another resource that you can use, is to go to either your Google Drive and make a new Google Doc. So I have a blank piece of paper here. I could type out a question like, Sally has 5 pairs of shoes. Her brother has 4 pairs of shoes. How many pairs do the two have all together? So this is a word problem. I can make the size of it larger, which you'll want it large for people to be able to easily read. From here, I'm going to take a picture of just this. I'm going to leave the font the same because this font is easy to read. You could choose to change the font, but you want it to be something that's easy to read. So from here, I'm going to go back down here and click on the snip icon, and then take a picture of it and save it in the same